Hi, I'm Daniel C. Lewis, author of 22 Ways to Make Money as a Notary, and also Make Your Business Our Business, a notary guide for that notaries just starting out. I'm going to give you 5 ways from the blog, 22 Ways to Make Money as a Notary. And most of these are going to be at no cost. And these are surefire ways to make money as a notary. These are very simple things that people miss, and they miss an opportunity. First way, set up a social media presence for yourself. Create a website for yourself. A website is there to market your business 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even while you're sleeping. How are people finding you? What are they doing? They're Googling. Whenever somebody wants to find me, notary near me, and my information pops up, and I haven't hired anybody. Then you want to create a Facebook page, a LinkedIn page, and a Twitter page for your notary business. Actually, having these presences on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter is a great way for your customers to actually find you. That means more profit for you and your business. The second tip I wanted to give you is really networking with other notaries in your community. I can't tell you how valuable that is. But I network with other notaries in my community, and what we did was, when one person couldn't take an assignment, they would call me or send my name to that client, and that client would call me and I would do the same for them. That's a free service that you can get just by networking with other notaries in your community. The third tip I want to give you from the 22 ways to make money as a notary is networking with your local community leaders like attorneys, banks, financial advisors. A couple of very effective ways to network is network with people that are going to be your clients. For example, one notary told me she was very effective at networking with the bar association in her state. Because a lot of attorneys, anybody ever work for attorneys? Network with people that need your service. And also, one of the biggest things that I did when I started off, I went to the local VFW and American Legion and let them know that I'll offer my notary services for those veterans at no charge. And they actually called me after that whenever they had some transaction they needed done by a notary, real estate transaction, buying a car. They actually used me after that. Get involved in your community. As a notary, you can go to your local schools, high schools, athletic directors, music department directors, and say, hey, I'm a notary. Let me come in and do notarizations for your families when you have to take those school trips. You know how special that is in your community? You can partner with a local bank. Does banks use notaries sometimes? So definitely network with banks, attorneys, the American Bar Association, or your local state bar association, and let them know that you have notary services available for them. Fourth thing is join your local Chamber of Commerce. When you join the local Chamber of Commerce, here's an extra tip. Join the membership committee, because the membership committee goes out and greets all the brand new businesses. There are all the ribbon cutting ceremonies, and that really gets your name out there as a notary. Now, this is the 5th tip I have to give you, and I can tell you this. I ran across this tip strictly by accident. You see, I was visiting a business there in a business complex, notarizing some documents. As I was leaving, her next door neighbor said, hey, you're a notary? Because I had on one of my notary logo shirts. And I said, yes, I'm a notary. Well, I need a lot of things notarized. Can you come in right away to notarize? And the business owner came out and said, wait a minute, I'm a notary. Her next door neighbor did not know she was a notary, so they used my service instead of hers. So here's the tip. Tell everyone you're a notary. That's going to get you a lot more business. Here's a secret. You can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on courses. You can spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on marketing, but your business will completely fail unless you take care of this one area. You have to flat out give the best service in your area. You cannot have poor service and expect to make money in this business. You cannot be holding on to documents. You cannot be not communicating back to the clients. You have to have flat out good service. And it starts with even answering the phone. Answering your phone on the first ring. Those little things like that pound money in your pocket year after year after year. These are just 5 of the tips. If you want to get all 22 tips, just click the link below. Thank you for watching. For more information about notary tips and tactics, subscribe to this channel.